Jebi,
you have a code there.
but say ya don't near she.
Oh, Mama, you need to know why.
I did mommy soon.
Yeah, what, bro? When enemy now, what better she?
Charlie, ever fat.
Grass is
Nyamiadum, Nyama. Jebi, my minchia, na minchia, with tea for ne asher 4.
Obiajo so.
Yeah, na you must so a more bomber a Santimani NDC. NDC that was it. NDC that was it.
Adam,
oh, now my platform me the whole week say Embe Kasana.
Of course, I am a week.
And was said that was it. Send the people for Nanda Mosse, the better Mosse. So it is not out of place to say. Madam was JB, my main chair, all the delegates of all the 47 constituencies. When them say Fiada, women's wing, you know, and youth wing, you know, I got to by our University, Republic or the Okra me free bay. Now say, your course of area, and if you be as you bit me the banners in your posters abo.
Oh, okay.
And to me team crowd.
And they Wednesday.
No, it's next year Friday.
I said, election is more fun to say, a friend is a World Cup.
No, but you see, you need to be proactive rather than reactive.
Yeah.
So our approach in campaigning are more proactive rather than being reactive, and it will reflect on the election day. So what I say, na mechiano minti na minya every aspirant are all contested for this regional election. We are about 64 aspirants.
64 aspirants.
Yes, I contest
from the chairmanship position to the last position.
To the last position. And my main fact is na me congratulate Bibia. Advice kakram the man say let us run a healthy campaign. Campaign as sebi ube attack the chrono persona.
Yeah.
It's quite worrying. Young guy say, yeah, can you send 9 people for so pen and be panning recording or more record the go. And he say, I say this in our say no.
Sure.
What I say. And he quite the obecano, ubet me and no idea. Now I believe say, Obia one arguing ubet me the Abuama party na baby crabeshe. Into quite what can I say talk. Delegates now smart. Delegates only discerning, no. Never underestimate our delegates. We very, very discerning. Who could be able to me bizarre question. That's our question. Then a pemo pa JB a pemo. You could realize say we have well experienced, trained constituency delegates. You can never underestimate them. It took quite the obit me and no idea. Waka, my name team. Ya kwa the obit me, you know, ya catch a year, your delegates. They be a done me kwa na me desa education we ma a year constituency. No say position I make kono a deputy secretary. And the HS say so a deputy secretary all limitations.
Sure.
Enti obi a okọ deputy secretary obaba be gina wa show but say the okọ regional chairmanship no na just nipa kwana kasa no wa fail from the word go because one team member kasa oba be change policies so ka oba obeye we without giving recourse to ebia o boss
the fact say over a certain regional secretary or hono mo
wo she na say what you say
but say ya to aba mamu ina nti obi a won adwuma be
I know na make say ya to aba you wi a JB you form a corporate governance structure.
Sure.
What did they make? Can I say? Say to about you now say when you are 700 votes. That's original chairman you 600 votes. It doesn't mean say you are more popular than your original chairman. And untino. It is our orientation here can right from the constituency, from the region, even to the branches. And see, adibia edama come as well. Baby, I'm in Biano. Me koso me bon odero. Na senior potential regional secretary I'm saying potential because he's also contesting for the position. And you be a bit in the abetuja I say because some of the information if you ask them what I say and what we are saying is said in Redro was a party no a share hard work in Munyam and I say obi biara yesha was some party no na why you be pay no the pakono ba mo na so mo mbisa ne de waye ne mpeswa so ne constituency de waye wo ho na mo bisa ne say obetimi asa ya na say party ni co position okote da ya na me ba jot dey make am say enti me say oba me person so me for constituency me campaign na makoni na me ni me for executives na nam I'm a constituency secretary on the constantly or you available. I told that I change my sister in Pabay 3. I come home. Our money na ye constituency executives are many or more eba pro. Na JB F over call now constituency secretary can the power ye constituency. At times now be a say you don't need to be an executive before so be some party. No?
Yeah.
What did they make an say? And till when you're executive umpono in Numa why you need the Juman wedding ever shown, sir. At a point, to be graduating and I'm a regional executive.
I see.
Because no,
name. No, so by me, person who they way at ground city as of the time I started campaign, walk about 46 constituency. I can't the last constituency is so called
Menchia South.
Menchia South. That's a bit me and
crowd away. I'll cry they hear me pa because I have a lot of votes there.
I see.
Yes, my Juma or Menchia South. I see. It is my interest, say, omo to abano mo yi omo a delegate. Nah, is very important to me. I'm praying say, Yamibua this week because we and Matis on to China.
Okay.
Yeah, Bompire say it will come to pass.
Okay.
Send a bear at least or move votes since I've ever come with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the Oko grounds no come on Ben at send a form city at the mount.
JB. Me call around some me swing DB say wo ya ade aten ho na ya ade ni ye na wo ya ade no obi tete kwanchen a wo hwe
you never know
who's watching you. Na constituency bi a meko no ubenya nipa bi ama na sori aka say Fugah wo hwe dwuma ne papa aye obi o se Fugah wo hwe dwuma akra we say prior to 2020 elections or ye boa NDC enkofo na sori ka in fact at a particular point when one time I sorry ye ka say Fugah won say me kan wasem kwa wo si egu me. Wow. Because me send your papa assume party no. Now was one fa kwadro, was one fa samantel no, and I also party na eya man wa. In fact, one of the constituencies when I went, the constituency secretary or ye penny pa me mbonidi or ye penny pa me be man no me say me cousin say Fugah sit down. And no sorry ye.
Ono aje microphone.
Ono constituency secretary.
Ono na ye campaign.
Or ye campaign na wie no omo adi bi omo ka say endorsement.
Yeah.
Tumuni na beja tumu say endorse.
Eza.
Chese efe ebi okwa na akwakwa ese ni suo. So te ase.
Enye fear delegate asemi bia.
Debi.
Debi
o ma kuma mutrodo. Na no ba won say we politician.
Money ba ko na ho.
We politician.
Yeah.
Enti so bi this dance ne fa ho a o ka no bedwoma eye.
Yeah.
But okwa any kwanso wote da. I was say wo sha se eye ehun adwuma. Now make sure that asema papa ne kan ye no we gina sa asem so any the other constituents executives na den e dey akasa. Eno ne be ye adwuma no ba wo ko e mo aka eni ti wo ko e no agwa wote ada masa and then from above was it because you should be consistently be in touch with the delegates. Obi wa refi on so. Obi wa for the first obi tie fair no kra no e ma na akai no. Enti de bia da na say what type fair delegates no sometimes it's not only about your policies it's about how the relationship is. I have worked in a bank for 9 years and I was a relationship manager. Enti how to use relationship a bit me aboa ma adwuma koso no ayade aminim pa. Enti wo ho a JB me drew baby let me say this me drew baby enti make us I know oh yeah obeka so obi hwe wo gentleman no sorry say papa yi onime but oyamade bi original office.
I see.
O say obaye no say na bibia na ogina kwa say am say minini kasa ye. Ase de minim ne dada. Eti wo hu say minim ni pakro no mpo no metimi establish that rapport.
Yeah.
Chese say omo the regional executive say me say sa ahofama ne relationship na me ni omo no omo ba bani omo nye den omo nsuro. So what I say and I got about 4 people in other constituencies and no kasa asem. And JB it is true that is the personality of Joshua Kwame Fugah. Obi a me hu ni bia me ne be hye because unim da chi de obekwa kotunu mo bia obedi ho adanse pa. And it is to we am ko no it is very very humbling. It is very very humbling. Now ama me sua say wo ya de a enhwe say obi ehwe ansa na waye but do it with all your heart and people will see it and reward you in secret and also reward you in the open.
I see.
Na JB.
So what touchy base no? So I know say yes, much opposition for some time now. What touchy base? There are issues surrounding this whole elections ending as if for the regional elections and what have you. But say there might be few challenges at the constituency level, the police station level, and what have you. Okay, what are some of the issues someone will share here, and who feel say genuinely say, oh, bah, you can do something about it.
Oh, me message I'm no making the branches administratively active. So what I say, because I've been called secretary position, no, I'm focusing on the branch secretaries. So what I say,
yeah.
Inti enye jubeni na meeting the abetu jawa say, but enyema ebeya ebema branch secretaries no are part of the working system no. Ye di sa jumadi no ebe egu akwemu na JB baby amiko obi ametumi bo ase ema scenario che say branches no enye very very efficient and effective in
branches
terms of effective in terms of administration and operations. What did they make can I say? Because right from national level no what mistake there who say every department ejuma but who do branch and ya truncate and it's very obvious inti baby am drew biano am kasa no. In fact after I have spoken ubenya constituency secretaries no be sorry I can say oh boss the whole can it is in sync with ade am person me dey me no inti me gidi say to abama na so ukoye deputy secretary you bet me ejuma bom. In fact almost every constituency because the mekan no am intimi fan to dwa ha no almost every constituency mo ditum say sinto ye den e wo ho and na ye ma ho say obia ditum a besin ne in fact ebi nkura say omode aye adwuma a ma critic sa nyema na eboa. I don't want to give out my information on there na aboa na one thing I mean hu ye ne say campaign tour no on say ubisa minya Frank say camp beno and also NDC camp. Yes, your NDC camp but oba internal elections sometimes we need to be very candid, objective. Oba Ashanti regional your different camps juma but say ko contester always make sure say unkwa na we den unam
Ankonam.
Oh
I see sir.
Pa enti no okwa obi empechu to a camp. What did they make can I say sana ade wo mu no ntimi nka
sure
because obi nye hu say this is where you are coming from no na ade a wo mu no o kakra obesisi na so bonim say onkwa na wo ba ye de a bibia obeka bia no obete na so ehun say asema okay sebi jansa wo man na say jansa ni de enim no we gina so de ato abama. But the moment I call back won say you are pitching yourself to a camp. I am saying this because enkofu bi say me na mameka say metimi ni enkofu ko bi na aye adwuma. And I want to put it on record here. Says asem no intro. You see me can say my adwuma bank for 9 good years. And we adwuma bank a corporate organization at home. And not they say what townful crown no betimi na ye I was so timi
sure.
What is and we are trained to that level. Say so uni obi wa sem crown na for the purpose of the ultimate goal of the institution no I was so timi ni ejuma enti ade nti obi a wako contest so say afina wo which capacity crowd do I have to even go and say me person me ni we ejuma o hwe regional secretary so mo na contest ya omo me say na fantastic. From Zuba to Njokoni, who is the current deputy regional secretary, to my brother Frank, Dr. Frank. What did they make an say? So why would I say metimini assume na ejuma na say metimini assume? No, I am in the position to deputize whoever the people deem fit. To be the regional secretary. NTJB.
Maybe sir. Anyway, I need the same contest. Who they deputy?
Yeah.
I don't pay yet to see Zuba say Modi Mokwa. Anya kra mumu on the oniskenti ye discard tata ne bonus.
No,
Moko mutu etu say.
I'm not in a position to discuss that.
But some moko
The meno met me I na my basse me ba catch a delegates.
Moko mutu etu say.
Na uncle farm no moko contest no JB. And ne minim say there are a lot of propaganda going on. I want to use your platform to set the record straight. Say obi chase ka, so obi chase ka there. I don't know. I think say obi biano. I was so no ankasa ti me yi na no. So what you say? Me go around say, and you say bia say so ko baby na say who say nipa atena se atwen wa. Anka ordinarily wo kwa so ton so to kan mu na ode den wo de mom.
Samu.
Yes.
Ye nipa na okọ no mom na sama unso.
Wo na was catching so on twen.
Oh, okay.
Wo na wo beto abama.
Okay.
And it's a walk on us in the back on atena se atwen wa. That's when me anton so amana. Also you nisika na ode man. So mo fan ton so no.
Okay.
What did they make an answer? And you can never visit these people without anything in your hands.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah.
Maybe the type of politics that I do, no. I'm very objective. What did they make an answer? It is something a token. I was Munjina way to Namon Fanton, to Namon Fan Mompire, Senebe me qua. Now sorry if you call qua. We don't fast a panko.
Yeah, what does a panko for crown?
Now what man call for my minimum papa Marco Cotanasi a channel was a woody. Okwa en wodun zapako angena gombe 20 opa o meka just call say oni penyi wo fie so ti dey make am say enti eno ne o so that's the brain behind say wo shi omo a kakre bia ode be mo no mo ni be den omo ni be so sometimes it shouldn't be bebre what you say maybe post na me ko deputy
okay
and the deputy there so wa ko na say go for mama for ni ebunku abetimi awoye what you say na wa ko mama me atena say sa wo say untonzo mane no. It's when the year they are better. It is yes, a kahobi.
It's when the year they are
anti and yes, you I say, who chase card their influence, Obia, say on to Abama, Debbie.
Alhaji Yunus Siedu, I say good evening, JB, especially to Honorable Joshua Kwame Fugah, incoming Deputy Secretary. We need to reward hard work, that is JKF. Inshallah, the victory is assured. From Alhaji Ayija Zungu.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm so much when but is the contest that difficult?
Yeah, I mean you can never underestimate any contest. What you say? You any pendum. 5.
I see.
Me na me toso 3. O kan fi sure me toso me esa, o kan fi former me toso me esa. Na che se me shen finfini.
Yeah.
Na se oja oba ne nyame sonkonko na ede akasa trinity ne ka trinity enye 3 trinity na leshi bia so ko tai factory no tell we new
yeah no ma pe bible quotation dia show am I go
anyway well the contest is quite open.
Yeah,
what you say is quite open, but
because you don't have the incumbent
exactly and the beauty of it, you know.
I see.
And Oshe nipa numna ye contest na. I was the first person that declared my intention to be here Juma.
Okay.
Until
later.
Later. Ebu just some few weeks. And
I see.
Until in terms of publicity, you know, my Tom me huye. And in terms of a Juma ding, once a gentleman was sending messages talking about hard work.
Yeah.
Even the National Communication Officer, is on record to talk about my hard work.
I see.
In fact, the former president of the Republic of Ghana, essentially John Dramani Mahama, me go catch and me call for Deputy Regional Secretary. I said, "Mako pen no catch me." I said, "Fugah, you are hardworking, and people know you. And I know that they will vote for you."
I see.
What did they make can I say? In oh, now then I also do for us and me on this.
Because they all have the intention of family.
They be me more Papa Bakope.
Oh, no.
That is John Dramani Mahama. Yes.
Okay,
because onona.
So I get your point.
Enti onona. Wait me adwene me busuya ho. Abetwehwe me papa ofie not once not twice.
Yeah.
Countless. Our board didn't encourage the eba. And this will be some chairman door. That's a make a contest. What stops me from going to visit him?
Oh,
wouldn't him because wouldn't him say it's SSC John Dramani Mahama. Ebe fi be shame. That's all babia Akuma FM Mayamo Baho. Me say mo ba obamba Akuma FM ba be interview. Omo news are reading. Next ground reading news no. JB the hard working thing there. Yeah.
So now it is the party people who are calling you. Party for Nefro.
And I'm afraid, in fact, at a point, Penny Bikraka said in a Fugah Kwame Fugah as deputy secretary. You understand?
Yeah.
That discussion came up. Echo so what you say, but you see, party no a Democratic Party. I was say encourage contest. In the end, democracy nipe num na contest me. So what you say, but Sunday, 13th of November. The delegates are going to speak.
Yeah.
Nombe kasama ayefe na ye ni munyam she. Says a party no say wo some party no. Say party no wo dedicate wo time no resources ebo party na. Delegates ni ehu. JB asema make can say asanteman hwe say the NDC delegates ebe reward eye Kwame Fugah. Asanteman na hwe because asanteman ni modern boy eye the Fugah family no. Yeah. And I say the Fugah name no, the contributions are here towards the NDC national.
Is that how you do Papa do?
Oh, say why I the Papa? What you say?
Yeah.
Say oh Papa I the Papa. I can say young Papa you confront coming to me metina boni di. So far as why I the Papa ni di, metina say boni because I am not ashamed.
Yeah.
Say me bom Papa di. What did they make an say? And they make a question say, oh bo Papa di no make sure say wo so adwuma de no ye den. Oh yeah.
But for you, I know I've openly said, you are my brother, and I know for sure I am happy. Say we'll cut this contest. To say any other person be a contest, I wish him well. No, I will sincerely wish you well, and I wish that delegate for no better amount openly. I'm on better amount convincingly. I brought more than who cry because I know the level of hard worker. Odebeshim to making sure say even. But me call the general election and come out with that kind of victory. I'm
now, JB, when you say 2020 elections now as part of the regional coalition.
Yeah, meaning
now I don't know more campaign share them and they collect results. Then you might be so.
Yeah.
Now since to a system now in terms of collation results near they know. Mean to me from two Java. I keep on saying anything I mean Kasa 80 no.
Sure.
Now meaning say. With the leadership obi wo hwe ya contest ni na obi we ni bia ne beboa what you say wo hwe the chairmanship race na the current regional chairman wo hwe the other two contestants and no three other three contestants no more contesting na yes obi a obi o pese o de beboa party no what they make can say nti right after Sunday no you will see say the leadership of the NDC in Ashanti region ababe leaders are they are poised, say, we are going to drive the elephant into the bush. Because the purpose of every political party is to win power. What did they make us say? And we tell make us an internal contest, because at the end of the day, we are. I was see a Timmy Kabum near the Juma Boom. JB, so we share me flyer, so I'm sure united we can. And Timino. In Kabomi idea baby ameko biano I talk about it. Yeah. Say priority ba kwa nebu. O Kaboma entibi mu. Enti contest wenti no unua bi wo baby a pese u didn't better radio so panels. Meanwhile we belong to the same family. I wouldn't do that. However, and then me who say nkophobia hyase bobia nsamo ni nkophobia frankran ba mo beye nkophobia agenda okrumo ase.
They know they were sembe.
Oh, I am a sempa. Oh no, and tomorrow some of us will be responding to that.
Oh, okay.
But my team is solidly preparing to respond to every allegation, sir. Or more, I see. And then before video so ebe encourage you na say Sunday yembra ye Baba Sports Stadium
delegates
na yembe to aba Emma Joshua Kwame Fugah as your incoming Deputy Regional Secretary.
Joshua Bre. Because you say we bro your better. Wa bre. Go to court. You think going to court is easy?
Because the Ocean Road Network actually Asantemaya say you.
Sir.
Ocean Roads. Oh, massa. In fact, me and Kasano, me say metro report on my rounds way because we intense.
Yeah.
What did I say?
Yeah.
It is my round say I should be able to write a report on the road network.
Sure.
Even some of the findings. I mean, I will write a very extensive report for my personal gain, like my personal use.
Oh, okay.
Na future na guide me.
Which road you are bringing?
Yeah, I guide me na abua because in fact it's such an awesome experience.
Very well. My main for take for about 2 minutes. Be now almost and share. I mean, what they have to say about Joshua Kwame Fugah. Now, if I wrap up with our discussion, I am 87.9. My dear lives, no. In the next 2 minutes, Yenny Sam come on now. Mwambe wish Joshua Kwame Fugah well. No, this is the time. Hello, Madre.
Yes, sir.
Bajaweni.
Where the Wauba, Wafa to Wadinia Robert. I'm not a few coaching class, and Mijani, but I said to Sophia me. I was a good time. Your friends a delegate for no, a delegate in Perifono. Also, when you're delegate for one, no, I must have that I am mobile. I was there. Yet to a very, maybe I asked him a Maka was so Busuaka. Yet to a very, Penibia, my home Macasa, about your delegate. Yet to a more, Ebia, or Mumpo, Museno, Musitia, so many. But every time you ever to a vanity. And then it's a baby almost just as I come to say, oh, really, it's just almost. The Amaya do near to a banamo, no movie near. Yeah, what you know, yes, you can use the man. What do baby crowd pay you or crowd two for my friend Pano? Or who pass over now of yes, Ramo, Yanamani Ejuma, and yes, the Amaya do no movie near. I am on cash, your phone, yes, Yakana, NDC Kuno, also.
Well noted, may I say, hello, my dear.
Namincha, my papa, the baby, a million
My feet didn't come for Naminton.
My man, for I was song for poetry and our friend. Mammy Joshua Fugah Paso. Wait, I said Joshua Fugah, Deputy Secretary. No, you Nameya do my Sandy. You got to about Joshua Fugah because we need Kasa, Nekasa, and Dekeke. Because ye NDC for me army podi me kan wa me to abani bi no me ti wonu masem ene asem obeka fa gondamani mahama ho ana me mefa sa to abama because wo ba na ti say wo jebi wo pinyo bisa say fa o papa no my what gondamani mahama me papa no no Joshua Fugah nya me nshirawo ene bebi awu bia obi bet now wo bisa ni say why ana obeka abama wa nti prove.
Why?
It is Joshua Fugah. The white Yentino, me constituency, as constituency, a China committee na. Me no me na because said the white Joshua Fugah yana kuma FM neno. Obian to abama Joshua Fugah. Nyamisha Joshua Fugah.
Joshua that was say. Hello, Madre. Hello. Hello, Madre. Okay. Hello, Madre.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Bachawani.
David.
Yay.
Tabu.
What's up, baby?
David, I'm in Bayer, media parliament in Brew with me.
I'm a kind of
announcement. And I see a yes, that was now. I just say you, I leave Ankasa free and say, you might talk a credit. It's the same. I leave Ankasa without Frepa, Kuma or Frepa, then a power of 10 o'clock in the scene. Frepa and Tina and Mikasma Botokura.
Hello, Madre. Hello. Hello. Bajawani.
Hello.
Yes, Metonka, you Bajawani. Mamintio.
Deputy organizer.
We are the deputy youth organizer. Fantastic, Mamitonka.
Only just no could have been Jeff. Now, may say, Asante region now, Omuma Yamfa, Joshua Kwame Fugah, Emrat, Deputy Secretary. Because by Jumano, Obit, ye, oh my crumpo, Busia warrior, or ye Jumura, Nana Hobras here, any poor woman and Mofra, and Impenino, Omi and Fanamla, NDC Dep to my pay, Asante Memora, Medamasi.
Medasi, Joshua Dawasi. Hello, my joy. Yes, sir.
I will hold a basis here in my friend coming for you.
And then Nessie.
Not Tahiro Casanawante. Or say young Casayan, Ali Dankasa, Afrim.
What's the wine?
One day,
A dino minted ye, minted in ye.
Ali Dankasa, ya was free Alaba.
Oh!
And Tahiro Canawante.
Mete, but I'm minted in ye, that's a confusing me cacra. Yea. Oh! Oh, fetch me. Hello, my joy. Hello? Hello? Very unfortunate. Hello?
You know what is it?
Yamiadum.
Unia, no what?
What's it?
Unia, no.
Oh, Jawasem. Unyeska, who did the picture of me. Is our executive member, Oka, Joshua no more steps, got the man who by now gone wedding the picture. Now we are, because only I know. That's a member making come out.
In the real about to Japan, Okumani.
Me German name Kwanza. Me German who feels as I'm making come out their show. Respect yourself. Yoko. Number 3, last one. Good evening.
Good evening, David.
Yes, I'm a Mintimunia.
Mosquito near.
Mosquito.
In your Fugah, in Sabano, in second week. Now, Minia, Yenia Ali Adankasa. If you know, Yenia Ali Adankasa. Did you know? Now,
okay, yeah, minimum pa.
If I just say,
minimum pa, mechanic didn't miss any more.
Can I penny for the Asia platform? And then come and Casako from Tammy, but 12 and a week. The Union de Nabano, your Mancrofati, as you say, and this summer you couldn't do. Over soon now, some part, your Kayo, and internet and penny for Robe Fribiano, then I'm Waboto, in Sebestre, say I'm young word, Mamma, you know, penny for the Domina,
That's it. Yafa and no offense, Yenia Ali, Yame Efa Nekra NCA. Very unfortunate at this point in time. Nankanije, Bay, and now Breachy Abo NDC Amayukui. Yame Efa Nekra NCA. Joshua, yes, Oriako.
Yeah, JB.
Yeah, Kwakoda.
And Tisenia wa Edujama for Asha Free, Mankraso for Free. Asukwa for friend na chere say adansi dina na asha say dey
Sure.
Bano na Sunday is the day Erunti dey bia meka say it's time to reward hard work. It's time to reward loyalty. It's time to reward sacrifice. Na meka chobi bia say eye Joshua Kwame Fugah meda number 3 nipa num na ye contest no o kan fi sure me hemfimfin o kan fi form some me hemfimfin na me fa kwenye so na me da council of elders amo Ashanti regional say former DCs ni MCs o nto mo so to abani bi
Yeah.
mo ni na to abani bi sa mpanyufo no so me fa ncha so nkomo mo wo dwuma din a mo abo wo Asante memu ase enti JB me de manu be si wa ha de asa
That's it.
But
I wish you well.
Thank you.
I wish you well.
Oh,
sincerely.
You are actually part of Team Fugah.
What's that?
Oh, you are part of Team Fugah.
And
your radio should be and there won't more my year advert.
That's not why I
host radios on my advert.
I wish you well.
And you are part of Team Fugah, dear. I wouldn't radio was on my year part of Team Fugah.
Make out. I bet this associated with